Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. With the increasing popularity of digital assets, securing them safely is paramount. Today, we'll dive into the essentials of cryptocurrency wallets. Let's explore the different types, how they work, and most importantly, how to choose the right one for you. A cryptocurrency wallet is fundamentally a software program or physical device that stores the cryptographic keys used to manage and access digital assets on a blockchain. It's crucial to emphasize that a wallet doesn't actually hold the cryptocurrency itself. Rather, it houses the essential information required to interact with the blockchain and control the funds associated with a specific cryptocurrency address. The core of every wallet lies a pair of cryptographic keys, a public key and a private key. The public key, akin to a digital mailing address, is used to receive cryptocurrency. It's a string of characters that can be shared openly. Conversely, the private key is the digital equivalent of a physical key to a safe deposit box. It's a highly sensitive piece of information that grants exclusive control over the funds associated with the public key. Safeguarding the private key is paramount, as anyone in possession of it can access and transfer the cryptocurrency. It's essential to distinguish between the wallet interface and the underlying technology. The wallet interface is a user-friendly application that allows you to interact with your cryptocurrency. It can be desktop software, a mobile app, or even a physical device. However, the core functionality of managing cryptographic keys and interacting with a blockchain occurs behind the scenes. Understanding these fundamental concepts is crucial for securely managing your digital assets. By grasping the distinction between a wallet and the cryptocurrency itself, and by recognizing the critical role of private keys, you can make informed decisions about wallet selection and security. Cryptocurrency wallets come in various forms, each offering distinct advantages and security levels. Understanding these differences is crucial for selecting the wallet that best aligns with your needs. Hot wallets, characterized by their internet connectivity, provide convenient access to your cryptocurrency. However, this convenience comes at the cost of increased security risks. Software wallets, including desktop and mobile applications, fall under this category. While user-friendly, they require robust security measures to safeguard your assets. Web wallets, accessible through web browsers, offer similar convenience but often compromise on security due to their online nature. In contrast, cold wallets prioritize security by maintaining an offline environment. Hardware wallets, resembling physical devices, offer the highest level of security by storing your private keys offline. They provide an additional layer of protection against hacking attempts. Paper wallets, while offering maximum security, are susceptible to physical damage and loss. The choice between hot and cold wallets hinges on a delicate balance between accessibility and security. If frequent transactions and ease of use are paramount, a hot wallet might suffice. However, for safeguarding substantial amounts of cryptocurrency, a cold wallet is generally recommended. Ultimately, the optimal wallet type depends on individual preferences, the volume of assets, and the desired level of security. By carefully considering these factors, you can select a wallet that effectively protects your digital assets while meeting your usage requirements. Selecting the optimal cryptocurrency wallet is a crucial decision that hinges on an individual's specific needs and priorities. The ideal wallet should strike a balance between security, accessibility, and user experience. Security is paramount, especially when handling substantial amounts of cryptocurrency. Hardware wallets, with their offline storage, offer the highest level of protection against digital threats. However, their portability might be limited, making them less suitable for frequent traders. On the other hand, software and web wallets provide greater convenience, allowing users to access their funds with ease. Yet, this accessibility comes at the cost of increased security risks. It's essential to weigh the trade-offs between security and convenience to determine the most appropriate wallet type. Furthermore, the amount of cryptocurrency held should influence the choice of wallet. For small to moderate holdings, a software or web wallet might suffice, while larger amounts warrant the added security of a hardware wallet. Ultimately, the decision should be based on a comprehensive assessment of individual circumstances, including the frequency of transactions, the desired level of security, and the overall user experience. Safeguarding your cryptocurrency is paramount. It requires a multi-layered approach that prioritizes both digital and physical security. Begin by understanding that your private key is the sole access point to your funds. Treat it with the utmost confidentiality, never sharing it with anyone, under any circumstances. Strong, unique passwords are the first line of defense. Avoid using easily guessable information and consider employing password managers for added protection. Enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security, requiring an additional verification step beyond your password. Regularly backing up your wallet is crucial. Multiple backups stored in different locations can mitigate the risk of data loss. Consider using a hardware wallet for cold storage, as it provides an offline and highly secure environment for your private keys. Be vigilant about phishing scams and fraudulent websites. These malicious actors employ deceptive tactics to steal your login credentials and cryptocurrency. Always verify the authenticity of websites and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Physical security is equally important, especially for hardware wallets. Protect your device from theft, damage, and unauthorized access. Consider using tamper-evident seals and storing your wallet in a secure location. Ultimately, a comprehensive security strategy involves a combination of technical measures and personal vigilance. By understanding the risks and implementing best practices, you can significantly enhance the protection of your cryptocurrency. Safeguarding your cryptocurrency requires vigilance and knowledge. One of the most prevalent errors is the careless sharing of private keys. These unique identifiers grant exclusive access to your funds, and divulging them to anyone, under any circumstances, is akin to handing over your financial lifeblood. Resist any solicitation for your private key, regardless of how convincing the request may seem. Equally crucial is the practice of employing strong, unique passwords for each of your cryptocurrency wallets. Reusing passwords across multiple platforms creates a vulnerability that can be exploited by malicious actors. Implementing two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security, making it significantly more difficult for unauthorized individuals to access your accounts. Neglecting to back up your wallet is another common misstep. Cryptocurrency wallets, particularly hardware wallets, are physical devices that can be lost, damaged, or stolen. Regularly creating backups of your wallet's seed phrase is essential for safeguarding your funds. Store these backups securely, preferably in multiple locations and using different methods, digital and physical. Finally, maintaining a healthy skepticism towards unsolicited communications is paramount. Phishing attacks are a common tactic employed by scammers to steal cryptocurrency. Be wary of emails, messages, or phone calls requesting personal information or urging you to click on suspicious links. Remember, legitimate platforms and services will never ask for your private key or login credentials. By understanding and avoiding these common pitfalls, you can significantly enhance the security of your cryptocurrency holdings. Securing your cryptocurrency in a wallet is a fundamental step towards responsible digital asset ownership. By understanding the different wallet types, their strengths and weaknesses, you can make informed decisions to safeguard your investments. Remember, the choice of wallet is a personal one, influenced by factors such as the amount of cryptocurrency held, the frequency of transactions, and your desired level of security. The cryptocurrency landscape is dynamic, with new threats and solutions emerging constantly. Staying informed about the latest security best practices is crucial. It's essential to approach wallet security with a mindset of vigilance and caution. Avoid sharing your private keys with anyone, regardless of the circumstances. Treat your wallet like a physical vault, protecting it with robust security measures. By combining knowledge, diligence, and a proactive approach, you can significantly enhance the security of your cryptocurrency holdings. Remember, your digital assets represent a portion of your financial well-being, and protecting them is paramount. Ultimately, the goal is to enjoy the benefits of cryptocurrency ownership without compromising your financial security. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cryptocurrency insights. Share your experiences with cryptocurrency wallets in the comments below. Let's build a knowledgeable crypto community together.